we go.
What's poppin', Go Fed Gang? It's your big homie Alonzo Richie back again with another video for you. And we got.
It's cauliflower. It's your leg.
Ooh, I like that motion, bro.
You can't stay all day in a buttercup bed!
Bro, you just a woman. This dude. Get to that. What we doing today?
Okay, we doing
We about to be reacting to playing with
we doing
Magnet balls.
the magnet balls.
Magnet.
Magnet balls.
Magnet.
Magnet balls.
So this is
a
a reaction that he came up with. I never seen it, but he says it's satisfying. He like watching these type of videos. And we about to react to him.
Hold on, bro. If you said this doesn't sound satisfying, you ain't got no taste, bro. So he's playing with 60.
What's satisfying about it?
It's a slow motion, bro, and how the magnets attract, bro. It's weird. It's a slow motion, bro. Everything is good in slow motion, bro.
Cream.
So, yeah, you got it. Let's get into it then. Let's get into it. Hold on, we not singing, B. We reacting. You ready? Come on, now let's watch it.
This not my favorite.
Oh,
Pink.
I like that green.
I want that pink.
I like that blue.
I want that pink.
Damn.
45.
Dang.
Bro, that is satisfying.
Where did they get these from? I want some of these.
Amy, that's
Look, they build magnet Legos.
What?
Oh, that's tight.
That's not sad. Bro, we could get them. You could buy them at, I think, Walmart.
Oh, they popping. Oh, yeah.
I don't like pop too.
I used to have them. That's why I find it so satisfying. Right? It's so relatable. Like,
But they like bees. They like bees
Wait,
just
Mama.
punched up.
They are. They're magnetic bees. They got a magnet in them.
What's on my talking you here?
Oh, that's tight.
Ooh, pink. I'll go with that pink.
Yeah.
I want
That, bro, they all look good, bro. Especially that blue.
that pink too.
I like that green.
I want that pink
I like that.
Why you like pink?
because
You
I
like
want
blue.
I want pink.
That blue, that light blue, not that dark blue. It's okay, but I like the light blue better.
And the green.
I got
You
blue.
see the green?
I like the. You see
You like
pink.
green because you said
I like
it
that
represents
pink.
money. That's just why. Yeah, that's why.
No, and because green is a satisfying color.
Ooh.
To me, it's a satisfying color.
Brown is my satisfying color, bro.
I never met nobody that liked the color brown. It'll be a first. Nobody never said that color brown, nothing like that.
Ooh, a rainbow.
Ooh, rainbows. Pushing.
I used to do it
Oh,
like
that's
that. I used to
tight.
slide a card
Can you
in.
put my stuff in your oven, please?
Yeah, I used to slide a card in, because I used to
We
have these and I used to
should
play with them.
we should do
I
about
used to-
stuff like you and Peter. Everyone we always know a bit about our street with my mom.
I used to do this, but I used to be doing this outside or whatever with my friends. It's so
Oh, that's
satisfying.
tight. So once they spread it, it snap back together by itself.
Yeah, like a magnet.
Oh, pink.
Bro, that is tight.
Whoa,
Bro.
whoa.
Oh, that's tight.
Whoa. That's that good editing.
That's tight. That's tight. That's tight.
Yeah.
That's
That's
right.
tight.
Yeah,
That's tight.
That's right.
That's tight.
That's right.
All black, green and black.
Yeah.
Them the colors I want,
Yeah.
bro.
Ooh,
Black
that's
and brown for me.
not
Black and
one.
brown, bro.
Pink and what?
Black, brown, gold.
Pink and gold.
Okay.
Yeah, black,
you
brown,
did
and
say
gold,
your
no?
color gold. Okay.
Black,
Yours
brown,
look-
and gold.
They ain't got no brown.
What? Black and blue.
Hey, that's my pot right there.
Yeah, I used to do stuff like that.
Oh, that's wild.
God,
Bro, I know somebody. I know.
See, look at that black and green, bro. That's nice, bro.
That look like the
tripping.
Celtics.
That's why the Celtics one of my favorite teams because they colors.
My finger and be
I thought it was 'cause they
hurting.
had Ray Allen.
Yeah, at one point.
Dang, snap up.
That's why my favorite team is the Philadelphia Eagles because they black and green, bro. Green. It used to be the Jets, but they started. I don't know. You'll play one of those?
I know somebody, bro, I'm so serious. I know somebody who made like a whole fort, a super-sized, life-size house fort, bro.
Yeah, I was just about to say I'd build like how they do the
I see
Orbeez.
Oh, yeah.
I'd do it like that. Was build that thing, the whole house type thing.
You
That'd
can
be
build
dope.
a tower, bro. You could do all
That'd be dope.
and it's so fun. And the thing about this is it costs cheap, so you won't have to worry about it like costing a lot of money.
Hey, we
If you're
back.
trying to do this and you're on a budget, you
No.
don't have to worry about it.
We back. See, I know it over there. Who do you think you are? I don't like the beer. Have my big rubbing on.
The purple fly, purple Lakers color.
Pink and
Yeah, purple and gold, purple and gold. Oh, look, it's right there. Look, they're side by side, purple and gold. You see that?
I said pink. I said pink and gold.
What would be tight? They can smash all that with a hammer, then they connect right back. That'd be the tightest thing.
Yeah, that's physically impossible.
I want
Yeah.
Oh, that is tight,
It's
bro.
like layers of cake, bro.
Oh.
It looks like a blanket.
It was like
That
a
do make me want a cake, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's the first thing that did pop in my mind, like a cake or a sheet. Ah, dang, bro.
That's why I say these are satisfying, bro. I'm screenshotting that. That's my wallpaper right there.
No, it's not. It's my wallpaper. It's both of the wallpaper. Because I like wallpaper.
That's tight, bro.
What the? Look, bro, it goes all the way to. That's so.
This is something like people watch that got like bad anxiety or nerve or
Oh,
like
yeah.
stress or something. They'll watch something like this or
I can
something.
watch it.
I see something.
That's what this supposed to be?
What?
That's what this supposed to be?
No,
Like to
it's supposed to
satisfy
be
your
satis-
nerves?
Something like that. Satisfaction.
calm you?
Satisfaction, yeah.
I want them. I want the freaking balls, bro. Not the bees.
They the same thing.
That is tight, bro.
All you gotta do is get
Oh,
something
see, I was just saying that if you get like a ball. See? Man, come on, bro. That's what I would have done. That's creative right there, bro.
It's not saying, bro. Hey, yo, if you,
That is
hey,
tight.
if you having a bad day at school, somebody picking on you, you want something like
Look at this, bro.
This is, bro, like, it really calms you down. It does. It calms you down, bro. Plus, if you think that this is not, if you think this is not satisfying,
That's the same
you're
dude.
crazy. You're crazy.
Hey, that's the same dude,
You think it's not satisfying? You're crazy.
Oh, that's tight. The thing, the wall fell.
What happened to that other one? Why did they push it away? Maybe it wasn't magnetic.
Because it got orange.
Look how it's just grabbing it. It's like, get over here type stuff.
It's a magnet.
Boom.
It does.
Ooh.
Where's the
Ooh.
south side? There's supposed to be the south side. North and south.
But I want to know what about a magnet does that to it, though. Like, what exactly is just making it?
Big old
come?
magnet.
But like it has like, cause it has like iron,
Iron.
and the iron comes. Yeah, magnet is made out of like iron
Hush.
But this not.
and silver.
Look
Stuff
at
like
that,
yes,
bro.
it is. That's made out of iron and silver.
How long did you
If
go
it's like silver, some stuff that silver won't work. Cause
3 more minutes.
A fork wouldn't work. Well, yeah, a fork would work. You do that.
And then get one more.
Oh, look at that ball. Oh, you saw that?
That's tight. That's tight. That's tight.
And then the other ball.
And they doing the slow like this thing like a little stringy, bro. But why the thing bounce away over there? And it's coming back? How? How?
There gotta be
That's
somebody.
impossible,
There gotta
bro.
be a visible person pushing this or something, bro.
Oh, they got a magnet on the top and
Oh, yeah.
doing it like that. That's impossible, bro. Look. Oh, them nuts gonna come back.
The pink one don't come back.
Whoa.
That is tight, bro.
Yeah, that's how.
It really is.
Mom, I come.
Oh, they got like a spinning ball. Like a, what's that thing called? Destruction ball?
No.
A wrecking ball.
Yeah.
Oh,
Came
yeah.
in like a wrecking ball.
It says like a wrecking ball.
So cool, bro. Hey, if you cut a hole in that thing, you
Oh,
can
that
wear
is
like
tight.
a
They
red-
gonna spin it. Look. Look. Ooh. Ooh.
Boom! That is so cool.
That is
I never
crazy,
saw something like
bro. They should make like a museum type thing with this, bro. You know how many people would
They
go
do have
just to
stuff
do
like
this?
that.
That is
They
crazy.
do have stuff like that, like a magnet museum, like where they got like all types of magnets. I want them.
Yeah. That's
For
tight.
future. Whoa! Hey, yo, girl, we might do this, bro, cause this
Yeah, I love it. Ooh. Cause they got the magnet.
Oh,
got
you saw
stick
that? Hey, go back,
Oh,
go
hold
back.
on.
Rewind. Wait, look. Look, that ball came bouncing back. What?
That's crazy.
You like you kidding me, right?
I imagine it gotta be hard to take off how it's sticking. Look, he's trying to struggle with it.
I wouldn't do that.
You'll do that?
I would take that thing out.
You
Who
would?
wouldn't, bro? I mean, that's cause that's
Ooh,
so
that guy
cool.
went down a
You
bridge.
don't understand.
You ever had a magnet before?
No, I didn't.
You never played with magnets?
No, my aunt Granny brought one for me when I was a kid.
For real? Was it fun and satisfying to you?
It was good.
Was?
Oh yeah, you know what I used to
Fun
do?
too.
When I used to have a magnet, I would like get the magnet and I have like some metal at like the end of the room or whatever, and I used to just
You had
throw
magnets
it.
before.
I know.
Like that's what that when you be putting
Yeah.
those letters on the thing, that's
I used to
magnets.
just- I used to just boom.
That's what a magnet is.
That's how, yeah. I used to just throw it and it would come. It was the most satisfying thing.
When I was in school, I used to play with magnets. I gotta give me some more magnets anyways. Magnets is on some spiritual stuff too. It helps with your vibrations. You know, I gotta give me some of them things, bro. I need some.
Whoa, see what I see that slime?
Yeah, we're gonna do it. But y'all get in the comment section, man. Let us know was this video satisfying to y'all like it was satisfying to us.
If you see what it was, if you see what it was, good. See what it good. See what
Yeah.
St. Pound Shelf.
Yeah. Comment down. Hold on. Comment down below if it went fat or if it was
It was trash.
yeah trash.
I can't see nobody saying it's
Or it was
trash.
trash.
Yeah.
Or
Satisfying.
it was slimy, or that's
And-
baseball it.
You said baseball it.
Or
Yeah.
if you say you should, then that says it's fraud.
Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Tell your mom, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your teacher. Tell your best friend, your homie, your granny, your teacher, your
Substitute
pets,
teacher, your substitute teacher, substitute
your
teacher.
dogs,
No,
cats.
cats.
Whisper it to somebody else.
Yeah.
Share it on social media.
Yeah.
And where else do we share it?
Then,
Huh?
then,
Your babies.
Oh.
you baby.
So everybody about to go for the family.
Go!